Before technology, before machines, and before artificial intelligence, life moved at a slower pace. People depended on their own hands, their minds, and their communities. Work was hard, information was limited, and every task required time and effort. Decisions were made through experience, not data. This was a world where survival depended on human strength, patience, and skill. This was a time when all work depended on human hands. Factories were filled with workers doing hard manual labor without machines or automation. Offices moved slowly. Clerks worked with paper files and typewriters, recording information by hand without computers. Classrooms had no digital screens. Students learned by writing in notebooks, while teachers taught lessons on chalkboards. In hospitals, doctors relied on experience and paper medical records. Medical decisions were made without digital tools. Knowledge was stored in large libraries filled with physical books. Finding information required time and manual effort.
Wait, look at this article. The dates don't match the official records.
Journalists researched stories through physical archives and newspapers, carefully verifying facts without online sources. Factory assembly lines depended entirely on human strength. Every product was built through repetitive manual labor. Families gathered around analog televisions, sharing news and entertainment in a simple, non-digital world. Accountants calculated numbers using paper and basic calculators, where accuracy depended fully on human focus. City streets were filled with people, not screens. Life moved without smartphones or digital distractions. Business decisions were made face-to-face. Meetings relied on discussion, experience, and human judgment. In this world, the human brain was the only source of intelligence. Every idea, decision, and discovery came from human thinking alone. Before artificial intelligence changed the world, humanity built everything with its own hands, its own mind, and its own determination.